Okay, ma'am. Listen. Listen, we have started date functions, whereas we have not completed date functions. The first one was date itself. The first function under date category was date function itself. Date. Then date diff is the date difference, whereas it has been removed in latest version of MS Office. Date value will give you the equivalent date for a given string. You enter a date within a string, it will convert the string into date. Then day gives you the day of month. Day of month. It means today's date would be 06/02/2022 and the day is 6/06. That is the day value. Whereas days gives the difference between two days. You enter a date and enter another date. The difference is offered through days. And days 360 calculates all the dates with 1 year as 360 days. Normally 1 year is counted as 365 days, whereas 360 days will be counted as 1 year for the purpose of days 360 function. E-date, end date. You know one particular date. You wish to know how many after a few months, after 6 months or 8 months or 10 months, what will be the date for the completion of 10th month, for the completion of 8th month, for the completion of 6th month. It is normally used for inoculation. Inoculation of mothers and kids. E-date. Okay. After 3 months, you have to inoculate. They will give you the date. After 6 months, you have to vaccinate. They will give you the date. For calculation of such dates, E-date is it gives you the final date, end date for given start date. EO month, end of month. For February this year it will be EO month would be 28 because this year is not a leap year. For 2022 is not a leap year. For 2024 there will be 29 days. EO month would be 29th February 2024. Whereas for February 2022 we will have end of month on 28th February 2022. Okay, it's the last day of month. For any month it will give you the last day. For given month, it will give you the last day. Then hour gives you the current hour. Right now it should be 9. Then it takes away the hour portion from given time. Okay. Normally date may be written as DD hyphen MM hyphen YYY space hour HH colon MM colon SS. It means hour colon minute colon seconds can be suffixed to the current date value. It's called date time string. Such a string is called date time string combined. Okay, it's a combo pack. You have date, you have time. Both of them would be written together. For time, colon is a separator. For date, normally hyphen is the separator. Hyphen is a separator for date. Okay. Whereas in our entry forms, we will use equals date y, comma, comma, dd. This is the normal format we adopt for entering dates using date function because it is compatible with all databases. SQL, MySQL, you have used MySQL, even Oracle, all the SQL will impose one particular condition. You should enter a date as YYY hyphen hyphen DD, largest year. That is the first component. Then month. Then day. From the largest to the smallest. That is the order in which they proceed for days. Okay. Then ISO week num. For this particular week, we would have some week number. What is week number? You started on January 1st. January has taken about 4 weeks. It has consumed 4 weeks and we are in the 5th week of maybe 6th week of this year. This is normally ISO week number means what is the week number for particular date. For today's date, we will ask Excel itself. It should be either 5 or 6. It may be 5th week or it may be 6th week. We will ask Excel to tell us the date. Tell us the week number. Wait. Equals equals ISO week num bracket open. I wish to say today bracket open bracket close. Today gives you today's date. ISO week num today. Today will give you today's date, 6th week. Whereas I wish to see what today means. Equals today. Today will give you 6/2/2022. Today's date as the date string. ISO week number gives you week of the year. Week of the year. It's the 6th week of the year 2022. Normally, one year consists of 52 weeks. Normal year. Each normal year consists of 52 weeks. We have passed 10% of the year and it is 6th week of the year. Okay. Then our ISO week number minute. You have time equals now gives you date and time values. I will to get only the minute portion from this time string. I can get it equals minute bracket open. Where is the minute value? A3. A3 is a cell containing date time 49th minute. It's the 49th minute. We are moving towards 50th minute. Okay, then seconds equals second. The same cell number A3. I give A3 as a cell number 48 seconds. 49 minutes, 48 seconds. Maybe it will be 50 within 12 seconds. Then we go on to net work days. What is net work days? Before this, you please consider this equals net work days. Work days. Okay. Bracket open. It wants a start date. From which date to which date? I offer 2022 01 as a start date. From 2022 January 1st and till today's date, how many working days? It has counted the wrong number. Equals date. I'll enter it as a date. Wait. Bracket open. 2022, comma. Then, comma. Okay, ma, 286 days. It's the wrong answer. Out of 365, you have to subtract this. From 365 minus this number, 79 days. This is also wrong. Whereas I don't know. The purpose of this function is to find out the number of working days from one start date to the end date. From January 1st to February 6th, it says 286 working days. It's not correct. Maybe interchange the date values. We will see what happens. Today, comma, date. I close this after today minus 286. No. Whereas it's something, it offers some different answer. Whereas net work days means how many working days. Oh, sorry, ma. It gives us the total number of working days within one particular year. Whereas it should end with February 6th. Whereas for the entire year 2022, it says there will be 286 working days. For the entire year means up to 31st December. Up to 31st December. Whereas it's doing the wrong calculation. I don't know why. Maybe they will fix it. Excel has been evolving over a period of time. They have been adding new functions, making corrections and doing some work. Maybe they will correct it in the future. And after correction, what should be the result it offers? It should offer around 30 days because in January we had around 19 working days. In February we had around 5 working days till now. 5 working days. It should offer us something like 24 or 25. Working days should be 24 or 25, not 286. It's doing some wrong calculation. It's okay. They will fix it in the future. No problem. Then net work days international. That is in local conditions. What is the net working days? Then under international conditions, .intl will give you the international working day count. It means local holidays would be ignored. January 26 would not be an international holiday. Under international working days count, January 26 should be counted as a working day. Whereas in Indian conditions, it should be treated as a holiday. We know that January 26 is our holiday. Okay. Then now gives you the present time. Now gives you the present date and time. I say now, it gives me the date and time equals now. Just take a look. Today's date followed by hour, minute, maybe seconds also. Second, I have already used second function. It can extract second value from given date. Whereas this one is not displaying seconds. I can go to this number, this format, and choose date and time. Wait. Choose date. Then choose a particular value which suits me. Not time. Okay. Time along with the minutes and seconds. It's not date time. Now it displays hour, minute and second. It's only the format which changes. The date value remains the same. Format changes the visible result. Okay. It adds the seconds portion. It removes the date portion. Okay. Then second time equals time. What is this time? Sorry. Hour, minute, second. Sorry. 9 hours 55 minutes, maybe about 20 seconds. Whatever I have given has been converted into time value. It's equivalent to time is equivalent to date. In date we offer year, month and day. Whereas in time we have to offer hour, minute and second. These are the inputs for hour. Then time value. Time value gives a time value. I have already told you about time value. You enter a string, it gives you the equivalent time value. Date value, similar to date value, you can offer this as you just. I have placed a double quote or percentage, double quote. Double quote, 9 hours, 51 minutes, 35 seconds. I close the double quote, press enter. Okay, sorry, I should offer equals before this. Equals. It means I have given a string. Anything entered within a double quote is treated as a string. Equals, open double quote, 95135. Now I can say time value bracket open A10. Whatever is available in A10 as a string should be converted to time value. It has converted it into time value, whereas this time value is displayed as a number. How can I correct it? I should go to this format, number format. Then go to time. And choose the appropriate format. Choose the format. It is displayed as time. Okay. Therefore, number, a date may be displayed as a number. Time may be displayed as a number. You have to simply change the format. You will get the equivalent date and time. Now, today has already been used. It gives today's date. Today is the today's date. Weekday. What is the weekday today? Sunday was the first day of the week. Today is second day. Shall we see what it says for today? Equals weekday within bracket today. For today, what is the weekday number? It should display 2. It is 2. Because Sunday is the first day, Monday is the second day. For us working people, we may think that Monday is the first day. Whereas for any week, Sunday is the first day, Monday is the second. Then weekday, week num. We have already used week num. ISO week num. We have already used ISO week num, whereas week num also gives you the same. Week num within bracket today. Serial number. Why serial number? Wait. Sixth week. This is the sixth week of the year. Same. The first one also has given us the same result, whereas the function is different. ISO week num and this one is week num. For Indian conditions, week num and ISO week num will give you the same result. Whereas you go to UAE, their year may not have begun on the 1st of January. Their year may be in some other month, some other week number. Okay, for week number, it displays local specific week number. That is the place in which you reside. That will be the count. Whereas for ISO week number, the normal calendar we use, January, February calendar would be used. Okay. Then week num, workday. Workday gives you after a particular number of days what will be the date. Suppose from today I wish to count workday. Start date is today. From today I wish to count 90 days exactly. For some baby, I have to inoculate after 90 days. I have today's date. I'll place it here. It has given me the result as a number, whereas I have to format it as date. I go to date, then choose the format. Whatever format I choose, the date will be displayed accordingly. After 90 days, it will be 12th of June 2023. After counting 90 days, what will be the date? It will be 12th June. Therefore, work days will give you the count of, for given date and the number of days, it will give you the proper date in which 90th day will occur, 100th day will occur. You can count. Then, Workday International. Workday International means it will take into account international holidays only. Local holidays would be ignored. Local holidays would not be counted. International holidays would be counted. What is INTL? Then year. Year would give you the year part alone. For this year, today will give us 2022 as the result. Because year component is 2022. Equals year. What's happening? Sorry, we are in 2023. Year, bracket open, today. I could call it upon today. Press enter. 2023 is the year now. It has taken out year. Year frac. Do you remember having used year frac? You have already used it to determine whether a person is eligible for voting. Equals round, bracket open, year frac, bracket open, today, comma, date of birth. Today, comma, DOB, bracket close, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. That should have given you the what? Given you the age of a person. I don't know how many are concentrating upon the content running here. Some function in the school. We'll stop with this. We will stop with the year frac, then go to practical. Okay. Equals year frac, open bracket, year frac, open bracket, start date. I'll have to give the date of birth of somebody. Maybe date, bracket open, 2004, sorry, 1985 0801. This is the date of birth of our institute. And today is the ending date. I press enter. It's given as a number, whereas I don't want this number. I have to format it as a, oh, sorry. Our ITA is 37 years old. 37.51. 37.51. It means 37 years and 6 months. 0.5 here means 6 months. Okay. Around 6. Okay. Our ITA is 37 years old. Okay, it's the right answer. Year frac will give you the age of a person in fractions. Start date, end date. You offer the start date and end date, it will give you the age. We close with this and go to practical. Theory is closed. ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ನಡಾಗಿದೆ